Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the sorting of materials into groups. There are a number of the materials are there around us. Just as you are looking in my video, this is the mobile, wall, table fan, ceiling fan, laptop, mouse, keyboards. These are a number of the substances. We can classify various kind of the materials on the basis of our utility. What is the concept behind the classification of materials? Basic concept, utility. You know, you have books of your last class also at your home. If you didn't give to other persons, then these books are also in your cupboard, right? And notebooks, books also. There are a number of the material present in your kitchen also. You go to kitchen to eat various kind of the materials. When we are at home, we feel hunger some more. ये भी खा लो, वो भी खा लो. Various kind of the materials we want to eat, and we classify these materials. We also classify just in library. When you see library man arranged many books according to their subjects: science books, social books, English books, novel, whatever it is. Like this, in your kitchen also, mom having a spice box, masala daan जिसको कहते हैं, spice box, various spices put over here. Turmeric, routine utility material, turmeric, cumin, chili, red chili, coriander powder, like this material. So we can classify various material on the basis of their utility. There are number of the material, number of the name used over here. Laptop made up of plastic. Mouse also made up of plastic. This keyboard also made up of plastic. So these are the material made up of plastic. But this bottle made up of steel. This bottle made up of steel. So we can divide various materials. I have given you a task. Name any material which are made up of, name any 5 materials which are made up of iron. Iron material. You will say, sir, this machine, number 1. Number 2, ceiling fan, blades of the ceiling fan made up of iron. Body of car and bikes made up of iron. So these are the various material which are made up of iron. Like this, you will write 5 fruits, 5 vegetables, 5 names of the fruit, 5 vegetables, 5 kind of the juices, 5 kind of the soup, Getting my point? Plastic material, lunch, which are using routinely, bucket, mug, lunch box, water container, pipe, pen, also made up of plastics. So these are this is today's portion. What is the today's portion? You will classify these various material on the basis of their utility. Which material you use in bathroom? Bathroom, like you will write in your notebook. You will have to write in the notebook. Note down in these points in notebook. In bathroom, we use soap, bucket, water, towel, right? Papa use shaving razor, shaving blade, brush, shaving brush, and he also use shaving cream, right? So we can classify different materials on the basis of their utility. Why it is important to grouping? The main motive of the today's class is why grouping is important. So number one, grouping of material or classification of material convenient to search, convenient to study. Second one, the classification shows their property. Classification shows their property of the materials. On which basis we can classify? On the basis of shape, on the basis of size. Right? You will write any 5 shapes: triangle, quadrilateral, whatever it is. You will write any 5 shapes: circle, cone shaped, cylindrical, like this. And you will complete this table that I have given to you. What is the basic feature, basic concept behind the classification? Classification done on the basis of similarity and dissimilarity. किस किस के सिमिलर हैं, किस किस के डिसिमिलर नहीं है, डिफरेंट है. गॉट इट?